These vintage digital paper are currently setting Etsy on fire, ranking in substantial revenue for new Etsy sellers. What's even better, the market for this lucrative opportunity is wide open with minimal competition. So if you're still wondering of what to design next, this is your golden ticket. In today's video, I'll walk you through crafting one of these top-selling vintage digital paper, which is this steampunk junk journal paper. And the best part, you will utilize the power of AI to make it happen seamlessly. So no time to waste, let's dive right into it. I stumbled upon a potential passive income opportunity when I asked ChatGPT to provide a list of demanding junk journal papers on Etsy, and steampunk design emerged as one of the top options on the list. Now, to confirm if this product really has demand, there are a few factors I needed to check on Etsy. First, I decided to search it on Etsy to know if it has low competition, because we are aiming to avoid products with high demand and high competition. Next thing was to look at one of the product results that has bestseller tag on it. Our main goal is to build similar design to these bestsellers. I came across a steampunk digital product that has been added to over 20 people's cart, indicating strong interest. And checking the review section provides insight into how demanding the product was. Additionally, I found another steampunk design from a different store benefiting from similar popularity in 18 people's cart and also having positive reviews. But how can we know if this product is still selling currently? I recommend changing this sorting to most recent. With this, you can see it was purchased recently, which indicates it's the right time to sell this product. To create this design, you utilize the mid-journey free alternative called Canva AI, which is a great option, especially if you're not generating profit yet. The best part, this free alternative often provides better results for this type of designs. To begin, create a new project with a A4 size, as the design is in portrait layout. But wait, before I continue, I want to say all AI prompts mentioned in all my videos will be available on my Patreon. And if you want to start this similar business, I have added over 80 prompts for junk journal paper with low competition, and it will be available for all my Patreon supporters. Link will be in the description. Now, back to the design. Now, click on the plus icon and select app. Then search for Magic Media, which happen to be the AI we are using. This AI provides 500 tokens every month to generate all your AI images, and it even comes with its own style that you can choose from. Now, to generate prompt for this digital design, start by selecting a keyword from the title and use it to create your prompt. Begin by describing the customization of the prompt, which is in a junk journal paper. Follow with the subject, which is a steampunk industrial design, and specify the style as vintage style. Simply click generate to proceed. The result came out looking good, and remember, you can create different varieties from one of these products you fancy by clicking on these three dots, then selecting generate more like this. As a result, you get more variation from that one design you choose. The next step is to align your design on the canvas and export it as either PNG or JPEG. And here's a crucial tip: gather all your design in a Google Drive folder and use the link to create a PDF page. And I have two design options for this. For the first option, use Canva to create a PDF page with a download button, which you can find in the element section. Insert a text by instructing your customers to click on the download button. Now, to make the button work, select it, click on the three dots, swipe to the end and select link, then paste your link, and finally export it as PDF. And for the second option, ask ChatGPT to generate a thank you message for your customers who have purchased your product, and also encourage them to explore other similar products by clicking on the link below. Copy the generated text from ChatGPT and paste it onto a blank document PDF page. Below the message, paste the Google Drive link for customers to access your designs, followed by the link to other similar products. This concept will encourage customers to explore other designs similar to the one they just purchased. Now, with all this information, it seems I have provided you with a new potential product design that could add more revenue to your store. Remember, on a platform like Etsy, only top quality design will sell well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.